Hi guys, this is Lauren Folks Adams with Guarantee Maid Services, and it's the beginning of the year, and usually people's New Year's resolution is to lose weight, right? So of course that's mine as well, but I'm approaching it a little bit different this year. One thing is I always want my husband to come with me whenever I work out, but he seems to love hanging out on the couch and watching TV, eating chips and candy, right? So I feel bad sometimes going to work out and not spending time with him. Another thing that I like to do is I have a friend in the neighborhood, and sometimes we'll get together and go ride bikes together at night once the kids are asleep, which is really nice. One thing that I've realized is it's about me, not about him. And even though he's not going, that's what he's doing to enjoy his evenings. And working out is what I'm doing to enjoy my evening. But don't worry, you still gotta go, right? I love going to the gym so much because it helps me release all the stress and anxiety from the day, from previous days. It helps me sleep better. So even though your spouse might not want to go with you, girl, boy, whatever you are, go. Do it for you. Call today to find out how we give you quality cleaning at reasonable rates. Like us on Facebook and get a quote at guaranteemaidservices.com. Let us give you your weekends back.